Hey guys, what's going on? It's Corn BBY. I thought I'd make a little video the day after the snowstorm. I made one the day before and I'm going to post it up soon. And you're probably wondering why I'm out in the first place, and it's because for some reason my job thinks that people are actually going to come in today. But I don't think that's going to happen at all. And this is my neighborhood after the snowstorm. See that? See, this is how much snow there is in comparison to an actual person. Some of the streets haven't even been cleared off. My street is one of them. Some of the cars are buried under snow. Some of the houses were actually buried under snow. I know some people who can't even get out of their houses. This probably doesn't look that bad, but that's because everybody got up early on my street and shoveled, thank goodness. Anyway, I have to get myself ready to go to work because for some reason they think that people will be drinking frozen margaritas today. And for their sake and my sanity, I hope so. See y'all later. Stay warm. Bye-bye.